Hello, everybody, and welcome to Argumentative Essay Writing Made Easy. So, you guys spent all last week, you picked your topic, you did lots of great research. Now, we're going to take all of this information that we gathered and we're going to put it into our essay. So, let's start thinking about the structure of what this argumentative essay is supposed to look like. Oh man, I'm hungry already. No, wait, no, Miss Peel, stay focused. Okay, so we're talking about essays. I want you guys to remember this picture of this delicious cheeseburger when you think about your essay writing. I want you to think about when you start your essay, you have your introduction. It's like the top bun of a cheeseburger. It's the first thing that you see. It kind of gives you a general idea of what you're going to be having. You know, when you look at it, it's a cheeseburger. So I want you to think about starting with a good introduction, just like every good cheeseburger starts with a good bun. Then you get all that delicious, meaty, cheesy goodness in the middle. Think about all those good details that you found while doing your research, and think about how all of that information supports your thesis from your introduction. Remember, we talked about what are we arguing? What is the point of all of this research that we did? What did we learn? What did we find interesting? You're going to use all that detail that supports what you found here in these body paragraphs. And then last, like a nice little cushion, you have your conclusion. And that conclusion kind of just holds everything together, wraps everything up. It's a nice little bow on the end of your essay. So let's start just right at the very beginning with our introduction. Let's talk buns, or introductions. Your introduction is one of the most important parts of your essay because it's what will decide if your readers are going to be interested or if they're going to give up on the essay. Think about all those TED Talks that we've watched, and even when you're just at home watching YouTube. If something doesn't grab your attention, you're likely to just click away. Find a way to grab the reader's attention and then deliver your thesis. It's like your combo move, hook and thesis. Once you get through your introduction, you're going to focus on those details, all that information that you found during your research. And you're going to turn all of this information into your body paragraphs. Keep in mind that these 3 body paragraphs, 3 is all I'm requiring for this essay. Your 3 body paragraphs should be well written and interesting with good information from your research. They're going to be like little burger sliders of their very own. You should have a good topic sentence, you should have great detail with citations, and then you have a little bit of a transition conclusion into your next body paragraph. Things to keep in mind. Each body paragraph should include a thorough explanation of one idea or argument that directly supports your thesis. A good topic sentence will help keep you on track here. You should also provide evidence to back up your ideas. Make sure that when you're citing your sources, you do it correctly. I have given you guys a lot of different tools to utilize for this. You can use OWL Purdue. You all know it's my favorite. It's make sure that you're not only citing it in your essay, but you also have your citation page at the end. And please, please use good transitions between your paragraphs. A burger should be eaten all together and not layer by layer. I want some great essays here so that I can just devour them like a good cheeseburger. All right, and then finally, once we get through all of this stuff, you have your conclusion. It's like a nice little bed for your burger to lay on. Your conclusion is going to be a great way to just wrap it up, put a little bow on everything that you've written thus far. Woohoo! We made it! Your conclusion is going to be very similar to your introduction in some ways. You're going to restate your thesis. You're going to just give a quick reminder overview of your supporting paragraphs. So those topic sentences that we talked about are going to be a great way to help you kind of wrap those all up together. This is not a place to bring up new information. If you have something else you want to add, you should consider adding a fourth body paragraph. You can have as many body paragraphs as you want, but I am requiring at least 3. You need to give your readers a sense of closure. Like when we finish a lesson and we have a review before a test, it's the same kind of thing. I want you guys to finish your essay and then give them a short little review at the end. And thus, let's review. Mama always said life was like a box of chocolates. No, wait, that's not right. Right. Miss Peel always said an argumentative essay is like a cheeseburger. You start with your bun, which is your introduction, have all that good meaty cheesy bits in the middle, all that good detail that really gives the essay its flavor. And then there at the bottom you have your conclusion. That is one good looking cheeseburger. Alright guys, be sure that after you've watched this video, you go and read the examples I provided on Google Classroom. It just kind of is going to give you guys a better idea of what I'm looking for. And I know you guys can do this. We've been working on all of these skills all semester. So all you have to do is go through and put them together. I know you guys can do this, but if you need my help, I'm always here for you. You can see me before, during, after class. You can write me an email. You can send me a text message. Just let me know what you guys need from me. But I know you guys can do this. So I hope you guys have fun writing your argumentative essays. I hope you guys are not craving cheeseburgers the way that I am right now. And I will see you guys all later in class. Have a great night. Bye-bye.